Hey lovies, it's your girl Nisha dropping in with a new video, and this time it is about my skin and my skincare routine. I want to show you guys a couple of pictures about how my skin was just the absolute most for like the last 6 months. But I have been doing this skincare routine for the last like 3.5 to 4 months, and it has transformed your girl's skin dramatically. Okay, as you can see, I have quite a few problem areas, and I suffer from eczema and hormonal acne. My jawline takes a punch. My T-zone is severely oily. My forehead takes a jab or two, but with what I've been doing, my skin just looks amazing, and I could not keep this to myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to share it with the people what I've been doing, how my skin has been glowing. It's just beaming, and I am just head over heels in love with my own skin. And it took a minute. Like, I wanted to quit, but I saw results and I stuck with it, and I want to show you guys everything I've been doing, everything I've been using, and yeah, so keep on watching. Okay, lovies, this is my skincare routine. As you can see, I'm going in with my Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser, which is a super duper affordable gentle cleanser, just as it says. If you have sensitive skin, you can't do scents and fragrances and acids and all of that. This is a awesome alternative to all those other cleansers that's out there, but I double cleanse. And as you can see, I'm going in with my second cleanser, and that is the Paula's Choice Hydrating Gel to Cream Cleanser. And this is a I don't know how to put it. It's very hydrating. It's not a bad thing, but it is very, very thick. Like the gel, it comes out as a gel, and it just transforms into this cleansing, sudsy, super duper hydrating formula that I just really can't describe, but it is so good for and to my skin. I go and rinse that off, and then pat my skin with a washcloth. And after that, I go into the treating and exfoliating part of my skin, and I am going to use another product by Paula's Choice. And as you can see, it's going to be the Paula's Choice Anti-Redness Skin Exfoliating Solution. It looks like that. I use my cotton rounds or squares. I forget which one I'm using here. But I'm going to put that on top of that. And as you can see, I'm not going all over my face with it. I just use this as a spot treatment. And I treat the areas where my skin normally gives me problems. After that, I follow up with my Paula's Choice Enriched Calming Toner. And this is so hydrating to my skin. Like, so hydrating. A tad bit expensive, but it loves on my skin so good. I cannot not have it. After that, I go into the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This right here changed the game for you, girl. Like, this did the doggone thing for and to my skin. Like, it's amazing. Get yourself some. After that, I go back into the Paula's Choice Enriched Toner to calm and bring the pH balance back to my skin, because your girl needs it. I need it, okay? Like, I need it. This stuff is it's good. Like, get yourself some. Get yourself some, girl. It's good. Don't forget your neck either. Don't just on your neck, because it's there, girl. We gonna see it. Don't do that. So after that, I go in with my Valjean Labs Facial Serum. This contains niacinamide and zinc. Niacinamide is like a blessing to my skin. Like, it lightened up my my dark spots so good in my skin. If you remember back at the pictures I showed you, like, this was a product that really helped me. After that, I'm going in with my moisturizer. I am using the Garnier Skin Active Miracle Wake Up Cream. Or you can use the other one I showed, and that was the Moisture Recovery one. Those two are awesome for your girl's skin. So go in, moisturize really, really good. Skin looking good and everything. After that, I go in with the SkinNutritions Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C Serum. This is so thick. You only need a little bit. A little goes a very long way. But girl, when I tell you that hyaluronic acid and that vitamin C together, God given, just godsend, like beautiful. It loves up on my skin so good, and this is like a little blessing in a bottle. If you can find it, get it, and just keep it in your arsenal. You hear me? After that, I go in with the Paula's Choice Ultralight Daily Hydrating Fluid with SPF. I think 30 is in there. Don't forget your SPF. Like, don't do it. If you're putting all these acids all up on your skin, do not forget SPF, because you step outside without it, your skin is just going to burn up off your face, okay? After that, I go in with my Natrave Skin Glow Body Radiance Oil. This is just my favorite thing in the world, just to seal in all that goodness. It contains argan oil and hemp seed oil, and my skin love these two oils. Like, love these two oils. It's been doing it for you, girl. This is my skincare routine. This gets my skin glowing, my skin beaming. If you enjoyed, thumbs up. If you want to see my nighttime skincare routine, let me know. Until next time, I love you, lovies. Take care. Bye.